Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to delete memories on Snapchat. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the Snapchat application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Snapchat if you haven't already done that. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So at the bottom of the screen, as you can see in the bottom right corner, we have the spotlight where you can go and check out some videos. We have stories of your friends. We have the camera in the very middle of the application. And in the bottom left corner, we have your messages and location. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and delete memories on Snapchat. So it is pretty simple, and you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in no time. So basically what you need to do is, as I already told you, open Snapchat and access memories by swiping up the camera screen. So you'll need to go to the camera screen in the very middle and just swipe up with your finger. I will not be doing that at this moment because I have some private photos in my phone. Now find the memory you want to, of course, go and delete. Then when you have found your memory that you would like to delete and the picture that you want to delete, tap on the memory you wish to remove. This will open it in full view. Then look for a menu icon with 3 vertical dots and tap on the delete option out of all of those options when you click on those dots. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it would be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I already told you, I hope that you enjoyed the video, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, bye guys.